My name is Comerio, and I'm running for Chief Justice of the Fourth Court of Appeals. I am the daughter of a single, hard-working mom who died 28 years ago, but not before seeing her, the first family member to not only graduate high school, but also college. After college, I taught school for 8 years, and my sixth-generation husband wandered into where I was, and wasn't long before he brought me here, and I never looked back. And with Daniel Boone in this room, I got to tell you, Bible lets me claim my husband's heritage. We're two or more, when the two join, they're one. And my aunt out in West Texas is Ina Crockett Warren, so I, claim that. His family got the largest land grant here in Texas. After paying off my student loans for college, took me 10 years, I asked my husband about doing law school, and that was the deal. You come on to Texas, and we're going to do that. So while I was in law school, I clerked at a firm and then interned, and then they hired me, and I became an associate, and then I became a shareholder. And that was pretty much where I was until I went out on my own in 2003 and had my own law firm. I have been practicing all kinds of law. I've been defending hospitals and nursing homes. I've done ERISA work, COBRA work, HIPAA work, some real estate, some probate, some family law, lots of different things. As for children, after we raised our daughter, who is now married and is a school teacher, in my midlife crisis, went to Ukraine and adopted a little boy, and have been adopting a little girl from Nicaragua for 3 years. She knows us. She calls us Mama and Papa. And having grown up in the only state in the Union that operates under the Napoleonic Code and not under the common law, and having handled the legal work in both of those adoptions, I can tell you that this is the greatest nation on earth, despite what anyone says. I am an unapologetic biblical scholar, and Newt Gingrich said the most important thing you can do is elect your judges this year, because the judges alone have ousted God. And there's no precedent for that. I dig deep into everything, and therefore I know that. I promise you, this race is a little bit different. I am not asking you to put me on and take her off. My opponent stays on the bench no matter what. She's going to tell you that there's a lot of experience that she brings to the court. The qualifications set out in the Constitution do not require that. And neither one of us have been Chief Justice of the court, so we start out equal. I have, on the other hand, been running my own firm for 5 years, and I bring to the court the trenches. I have been in the trenches, working the statutes, working the law. I do not have the perspective of the bureaucracy. I have an entrepreneurial perspective. I appreciate your vote. Thank you very much. I got the sign. Thank you.